We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive look at the SYMNTEM Rechargeable Unisex Beanie Hat with Light. This innovative gadget combines warmth, lighting, and audio functionality in a stylish beanie, making it a versatile accessory for many users. The beanie is designed for both men and women and has quickly become popular as a practical gift for various occasions. It is especially appreciated by those who need hands-free lighting and audio while staying warm outdoors. The product is rechargeable, which adds to its convenience and sustainability compared to battery-powered alternatives. The light integrated into the beanie is described as powerful and bright, providing excellent illumination for activities such as walking the dog at night, jogging, snowboarding, or working in low-light conditions. Users have praised the beam for its strength and coverage, noting that it frees up their hands and eliminates the need for carrying a separate flashlight. The audio feature allows wearers to listen to music, podcasts, or news directly from their phones via Bluetooth. While the sound quality is not considered audiophile grade, it is good enough for casual listening during outdoor activities. The speakers are embedded in the sides of the beanie, which some users found slightly uncomfortable when leaning their heads against hard surfaces, such as plane windows or car hoods. This makes the beanie less suitable for sleeping or resting with the head pressed sideways. The fit and warmth of the beanie are generally well received. It keeps the head warm in cold weather while maintaining a comfortable fit. The style is unisex and appealing, with several reviewers mentioning that it looks good on men and women alike. The beanie is also washable, which is a significant advantage for maintaining hygiene and freshness after regular use. Durability is a point of some concern among users. While the light and audio features work well initially, some similar products on the market have issues with the light module becoming loose or falling out after several months. It remains to be seen if this model will avoid that problem in the long term. However, the overall build quality is considered good, and the rechargeable battery lasts long enough to support extended use without frequent charging. The product has received a high customer rating of 4.8 out of 5 from 143 ratings, indicating strong satisfaction among buyers. Many users have gifted this beanie to friends and family, highlighting its usefulness and value. It is especially appreciated by those who need reliable lighting with hands-free convenience, such as people who walk dogs at night, joggers, outdoor workers, and even individuals with mobility challenges who require both light and free hands. The beanie's ability to combine multiple functions, warmth, light, and audio into a single wearable item makes it a unique and practical gadget. It is not only functional, but also stylish and comfortable enough for daily wear. Some users recommend it for specific activities like snowboarding and night jogging, while others find it perfect for casual use or as a thoughtful gift. In summary, the SYMNTEM Rechargeable Unisex Beanie Hat with Light is a well-designed, multifunctional accessory that meets the needs of a variety of users. It offers bright lighting, decent audio, warmth, and style in one package. While minor comfort issues and potential durability concerns exist, the overwhelmingly positive feedback and high ratings suggest it is a worthwhile purchase. If you own this beanie, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in trying this innovative gadget.